Sometimes you have the need to connect thick wires together, and you can use few methods. First, you can simply twist them together. Yeah, like that. But they can easily separate from each other. Second, you can solder them. But you will need many hours of practice and a good level of skills to do this properly. And the most important part? You need a very powerful soldering iron, and not many of us have one. But thankfully, there is another method. You can melt them together. Like this. Okay, first you will need a transformer. I have here a toroidal transformer. A good one. And I have wrapped around him 50 turns of thick wire. Now this beast can deliver 40 amps at 20 volts, enough to sustain a short arc. You need to use graphite electrodes. Can find them inside heavy-duty acid batteries. Here we have two 4mm wires. It would be extremely difficult to solder them. But not for us. This joint now is break-proof and requires no skills. If you like, please like, share and subscribe.